Hi everyone, my name is Pete Connolly. I'll be your student's physics teacher this year. Just wanted to introduce myself, tell you how to contact me if needed, give you a little intro to the class and some of the bigger themes we'll be covering this year, go over some grading policies, and let you know kind of the overall idea of the class and what we want the students to accomplish this year. So let's just talk about how to contact me if you need to. Email is gonna be the best way, and you can use P Connolly, PConnolly at summit.k12.nj.us. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. And also, students know the same thing. If they have any questions or concerns, they can see me. Or they can email me at that address, but they can also see me during lunch periods in room 305. And they're highly encouraged to do that before a test or a quiz or before a lab is due, so they can make sure that they're submitting things and doing them to the best of their ability. So any extra help they need can be in room 305 during lunch period. So something that we're super excited about this year that unfortunately last year we weren't able to do too much of is labs. We're going to do hopefully at least one lab a week, and it gives the kids a chance to get hands-on with physics and really approach the subject in a way that's going to allow them to see and physically feel what they're doing, and not just take notes and do the math, which is important too. But for example, the most recent lab we did this week, if you want to talk to them about it, is the motion lab, and they were able to track the speed of certain objects and their velocity by knowing how far an object went and knowing how much speed that object went between certain points. So if you want to talk to them about that, they should be able to kind of walk you through what we did with that lab. And they did a great job with that. Overall, they're doing really phenomenal this year. It's a highly participatory class. Everyone's constantly raising their hand, answering questions, and we go at a pace that's really good and helpful. We introduce a topic. We do practice problems whenever new math is introduced. So, for example, we did speed and velocity recently, and acceleration. And so, anytime those new topics are covered, we're going to make sure the students really have those skills to move forward, because in physics stuff builds on it, and we come back to these things often. So some of the bigger things we're going to be covering this year are motion, which we're doing now. We're going to be doing that for a little bit longer. We're going to get into electrostatics. We're going to be getting into magnetism, some astronomy. We're going to be doing some earth science later on in the year. But overall, we're going to really be covering the topics that are most important in physics. And we're going to be doing a lot of hands-on things as much as possible, because I think it's important that the students that might have missed that last year now have the opportunity to really invest in science at a higher level. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. There's really not too much homework that I give. If homework is given, it's usually a completion of a worksheet that we might have started, or to study for a test or to review or anything like that. So generally they're not going to have too much science homework. We try to accomplish our tasks in class, but whatever we might not finish, they can do at home. Okay, we're looking really forward to a great and productive year. Again, so far it's been awesome. A great group of kids. Really looking forward to working with this year. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.